Last one, we're going to multiply 2 and 5/100 times 146. We're going to write these in unit form. So we're going to write 205/100 because the 5 is in the hundredths place. We're going to multiply this by 146 ones. Here we go. Oh, being fidgety. Okay, so we're going to start by multiplying from the ones place. 6 times 5 is 30. We're going to put a 0 in the ones place, carry the 3 to the tens place. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. Then 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to cross out that 3 since I've already used it. Now we're going to multiply everything by 4 in the tens place. Sorry, it's blurry. So since the 4 is in the tens place, we know we need to add a 0 to the ones place. Because the 4 is in the tens place, we always know that when we multiply by 10 or any multiple of 10, that there's going to always be a 0 in that ones place. This also allows our answer to start in the tens place. So here we have 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to put a 0 in the tens place, carry the 2. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to cross out that 2 since I've already used it and I don't want to use it again by mistake. Now we're going to multiply everything by the 1 in the hundreds place. I'm going to underline that 1. Now remember, whenever we multiply, sorry, I know it's blurry. Whenever we multiply by the hundreds, we're always going to have an answer that has 2 zeros on it. So at the end, so we're going to put a 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place. This also allows our answer to be put in the hundreds place here. So we're going to put 1 times 5 is 5. See if I move it closer with the help. It's a little bit better. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. We're going to add these up. Add up the ones place, we have 0. Tens, 3. Add up the hundreds, that's 5 plus 2 is 9. Add up the thousands, 1 plus 8 is 9. And add up the 10,000s, 2. But now we need to multiply by our unit. So hundredths times 1 is hundredths. So I'm going to start by putting a 0 in the hundredths place. That means the 3 is going in the tenths place. I always put a decimal point to the left of the tenths. The 9 is going in the ones place. My 9 is going in the tens place. And 2 is going in the hundreds place. So our answer is 299 and 30 hundredths, or 299 and 3 tenths. Either way is correct.